I'm Dawin Cardozo. I stay in Girdolim. In fact, my house is very close to the railway tracks, just 200 meters from the railway tracks. And our life used to depend on the rails when I was a kid, or even when I was going to college, because there were many local trains at that time. That's just 25 years back. And our life was fully dependent on the trains because we used to travel by trains to our college, to our work, and all the people used to use the local trains. But nowadays, after 20 years back, 20 years henceforth now, there are few local trains, and the local trains have been reduced to just 3 now from the 5 that were used to be around 20 years back. And these 5 trains used to help in the economy of the village also. These 5 trains, local trains, were very beneficial to the local community. But now with the reduction in the local trains, we have to use our own vehicles to travel to Margao or other places. So this double track is not very economical for us. It's not helping us in any way, the local community. That's why we all are opposing this double tracking. Because double tracking is only going to benefit maybe the coal mafias or the coal owners, or the coal is just going to be transported to my village and pollute my village by the spilling of the coal over the wagons which are not closed also.